Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to do a little more hand drill. And the last time you saw me use this 4-foot spindle, I held the fireboard with my foot. Today I'm just going to do it on top of these short stumps that are logs that are stacked together. And we're going to use Tulip Poplar Fireboard, and I've got some Tulip Poplar bark here that we'll go ahead and break down and make our Tinder bundle out of. The last ember I made in this shallow divot right here, and it looks like this spindle is going to fit in there nicely, so we won't have to do a burn in and a notch. Sometimes you get lucky and you can peel a long strip off like this, but usually it'll just break on you. So we got some good inner bark right there. Let's go ahead and break it down. And this will be the very center of our Tinder bundle. Good stuff right there. I'm going to pin it down first, then I'll put my ember catch under it. Horseweed on Tulip Poplar, how to use a 4-foot long spindle. Yep, looks like we have an ember. Let's let it coalesce. Good. Oh. Fell off of my leaf. I dumped all that good powder on top of it. So even though I lost about half of the ember, it's going to be really fortified with all that powder on there. Good. Now we'll use some more of the Tulip Poplar bark. Just the way it is. This stuff burns hot, and it burns for a long time.